Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide, and in today's video I'm going to be revisiting an issue that I ran into when I was comparing my Note Air 3C to the Note Air 3. And if you've watched that video, you probably remember when I was comparing the performance of the reader that I was very surprised and somewhat frustrated that the seemingly what I believed or perceived wrongly, now I know wrongly, that Note Air 3C was sluggish when flipping pages when compared to the Note Air 3. And it was far more sluggish than what I initially had as a performance. I jumped to conclusion that it must have been an update, but it now turns out that it's not an update, it's actually something else that was causing it to slow down, and it can cause any of the Boox devices to behave in such a super sluggish way. So let's investigate and see what it actually is. If they are both in the, let's see, speed mode. So yeah, speed mode on both of them, right? Seemingly everything should be correct. And when I was doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I was getting this really laggy and bad behavior from the Note Air 3C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this one was super performant and precise, and this one was constantly waiting and being very unresponsive. I mean, at this point it's like almost completely unresponsive, and it's like really weird. It's actually a feature, and a feature that I forgot that either got enabled by default from the update, or much more likely that I don't remember when I enabled it for one of the videos that I was making. However, the feature in question is actually, this is unbelievable, it's called AI, right? The Smart Scribe. So the feature in question is double tap recognition, and it actually makes sense, because if it's double tap recognition, that means that it needs to wait for a certain period of time, and it's looking for the second tap to try and understand if this is the gesture that it's looking for. But basically, when I turn the AI double tap recognition off, lo and behold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we're all good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's still, there's a little bit of a lagginess here. You can see that it's still not as responsive as it was, and this one is actually still far more precise. So something is still bothering it. And then let me just check if there's like, okay, so let's try and turn off all of the AI stuff. And let's just completely turn everything off and see if I then get completely reliable results. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Super precise. And as a final confirmation, let's enable AI here, and let's see if we can get the same terrible behavior here. So now this one should be laggy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so the AI is the main, or so-called AI. I mean, I don't think they really know what AI is. If they truly believe that this is AI, then yeah, but of course this is just marketing speak, because everything's AI now. But yeah, basically just turn all of that stuff off. And the only one that I would turn on is actually turning pages with stylus, because that's something that I actually do use. And then let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's still adding a little bit of imprecision. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So the stylus, even turning pages with stylus, is adding a little bit of a little bit of confusion and imprecision here. So I clicked the hyperlink. Let's go back, but you can see that it's kind of laggy a little bit. It's not super fast, and if I turn it off, it should be super fast. Yes, it's definitely faster. Like definitely faster and more responsive than with any of the AI features. So just so that you are aware that what is actually going on. So it's not a bug, it's actually a feature, and it's basically these. And more of them you enable, more the whole system is going to be hogged up and yeah, basically kind of laggy. So if you value performance, turn that stuff off, and or minimize which ones you really use, because it actually matters. It is interfering with the actual performance of the device. And just for anyone kind of wondering, let's do it for completeness sake. Let's go into Regal as well, and with all of the AI off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it misses. Oh no, I always click a hyperlink on this one for some reason because of the angle. But you can see that the performance is actually okay, but it still is thinking a little bit. See, this one also thinks a little, but not so much. This one thinks a little, it's a little on the, I don't know, it's not as smooth and as consistent as this one. In here, it's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit different, but it's definitely better than what it was with the AI enabled. So yeah, that's the clarification of that whole mess. All right, so I'm actually very happy that this is the case. I have to say a huge thank you to one of the viewers who actually sent me an email and said, hey, check this option out because maybe that's what causes it. And then I actually, honestly, I read the mail. I said, like, made a mental note, I'm gonna check it, but then I forgot about it. And now I remembered and I checked it, and it actually is that. So thank you and kudos to you for letting me know about that and for helping me solve my issue that I had with the Note Air 3C, because it was really frustrating to think, and it's not a good place to be mentally or emotionally, where you think like, okay, what the hell, if an update can screw up the device that much, that plays with your head quite a bit. But it's a really good place to be that it's just a setting that causes all of that, and at any given point I can just turn off a setting and get my performance back. So I would much rather have that as an option than the alternative, which would be that the update screwed things up, which thankfully is not the case. So hopefully this helps some of you. If you have been encountering that issue, then now you know, turn it off, and yeah, you're all too good to go. And yeah, maybe people should stop using the AI in, you know, features that have absolutely zero things to do with any form of artificial intelligence. But I guess that's what sells now. That's a hot word, right? So let's bank on that one quite a lot. So yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of going a little bit on a side note here because that's a pet peeve of mine, but okay. So yeah, Smart Scribe, AI assistants or whatever, just turn it off, or turn as many as options that you don't use off, so that you can get as much performance back from your device. I hope that you found the video useful or helpful or interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell in the description below to get notified when new videos come out on mydeepguide. And also check out mydeepguide.com/shop, where you can find MDO, which is a hyperlinked PDF file, My Daily Organizer, that helps you organize your personal or professional needs annually on an annual plan, or MMP, My Deep Guide Meeting Planner, also hyperlinked PDF file that helps you organize and plan all of your meeting planning needs. More info in the hyperlinked playlist in the video description for each of the products, where you can learn all about them. Purchase of these products directly supports the independence of My Deep Guide, so I thank you for it very, very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.